Hello kids. See, in previous classes I taught you about the plant and how to draw the plant and its part. This is EVS subject. Today we shall study about the eye and its parts. See, here you can see the eyebrow. Then this is eyelid. This is eyelid. Okay. Then the hairs which we find below the eyelid are called as an eyelash. Then we have a ball here. It works as if a camera of our eye, that is called as an eyeball. A white surface in the eyes is called as a retina, and even scalar also it is called. Then here I have drawn with a pencil. Eyebrow is there, eyelid is there. For that eyelid you can see the eyelashes is there. White part is also called as retina and scalar, and the inside a small lens it is called as a pupil, and a shaded part of this eyeball is called as a iris. Now I will show you how to draw the eye in a easy method. Okay, draw a line like this, then write a C letter here, then go on drawing a line like this, then take a curve here, take a curve here, take a curve here, and extend like this. And with a pencil you can fill like this. You should hold like this, like a slant, and go on fill. It will finish up soon. Okay. Or if you want to give an imitation of a hairs, then you can draw like this. Okay. You can use as you wish. Either you fill that eyebrow like this, or with the lines like this, with the strokes also you can draw the eyebrow. Now write a C letter here, write a C letter here, then like a D shape you write here, like a D shape you write here, you will get an eyeball of your eye. Then twist your paper or a book, whatever it is in which you are going to draw, write V here, write V here, V here, and like a shape, or you can again turn your book or a paper, whatever it is, then write your V and go on joining the like this. Okay, but I will draw you, it should look neat, so I am going to draw with a pen directly like this, and I'll join this. And while drawing with a pencil also, first and foremost thing, draw light, don't draw dark, because you'll find very difficult to erase, and the paper or a book, it will look very dirty. So eyeball I have drawn. This is the eyeball. Then this is, now I am drawing a eyelid. This is called as a eyelid. Okay, eyelid. And for this eyelid I am going to draw the eyelashes. Okay, eyelashes. Take a curve, it looks little bit natural and nice it will look. So take a curve like this, go on giving the strokes like this. Then down you should take like this, because very small hairs will be there like this. Then go on giving the strokes like this, strokes like this. Then a pupil you can draw like this, or you can draw like a V shape, and it looks nice. In higher classes you can draw the pupil and iris. It is better take V, and here also if you can fill like this dark with a pencil. First you can fill this one at the edge of the eyeball, at the edge of the eyeball, it should not come out of the circle, out of this eyeball. Okay, then here V shape also like this slant, you go on filling like this. It will be easy, so that you can fill faster like this. Okay, this eyebrow shape, if it doesn't look nice, you can take like this turn also, no problem, it is left to you. Okay, now I'll mark the parts. See, I'll tell you, this is a eyebrow, eyelid, eyelash, eyeball, retina. Eyebrow, eyebrow, eyelash, sorry, this is eyelid. Eyelid, this is eyelid. Okay, the hairs of for the eyelids which we have, it is called as a eyelash. Okay, and this ball is called as a eyeball. Okay, I'll mark that arrow mark down here, eyeball. Then this is retina. See, these parts for from first to fourth standard you can marks these parts, and when you go to the higher classes like this, you can draw and you can mark the parts. So we shall do the revision here now. This is eyebrow, this is eyelid, which we can close and open, that is called as eyelid. And for this eyelid we will find the hairs, those hairs are called as eyelash. Then the ball which we have inside is called as eyeball. Then the white part is called as a retina or scalar. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day and enjoy. Keep